Hello friends and welcome back to the Recognition channel. So friends, today I will talk about EIZO new 4K UHD business monitor with new FlexScan EV2740S. So friend, EIZO has announced the FlexScan EV2740S is a 27-inch 4K UHD monitor designed with energy efficient in mind, and its expand EIZO lineup of FlexScan 4K UHD monitor and equipped with feature for streamlined operation and offering exceptional support for increasingly diversified need for modern business environment. So friend, the monitor offer USB Type-C port and enabling user to connect their laptop via single cable, and this streamlined video signal transmission provide access to the monitor 4-port USB hub for peripherals and deliver up to 70 watt of power to the device. And additionally, the monitor is picture-by-picture function enable information sharing side by side and eliminating the need of input source. And this convenient feature helps support user efficiency and productivity, and whether collaborating with co-workers and moving between workstation or when working remotely. So friend, the monitor consumes just 12 watts, 75% less compared to the EV2740X, and this helps users to lower their energy cost and support sustainability effort by minimizing their carbon footprint. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.